Hello everybody, this is Bui from Mama Bui's Kitchen. I hope you are having a great day. Today on Mama Bui's menu, we are making Botswana traditional recipes, which are Madombi, butternut squash, and free-range chicken. So guys, let's get started. You know Mama Bui doesn't like to waste time. We're gonna cut the chicken into pieces, then wash it and add it to a Dutch oven. I'm using free-range chicken straight from the farm, guys. The chicken are raised outdoors, running outside freely and breathing fresh air. This chicken have small bones but rich, tender, fragrant meat and good mouthfeel. So we are going to cook this chicken just plain and simple, guys. That's how my mom used to make it, and that's how we love it. Back home we call this chicken hand-raised chicken. They are also known as hard bodies because of the toughness of the meat. Free range chicken has lean meat. It means that the slower cooking yields better results. The chicken is washed. Now we're gonna add water. We are also gonna add salt to taste. You're gonna also add in white pepper, add in red cayenne pepper, chicken bouillon, and olive oil. We're gonna cover with the lid and simmer gently for 2 hours, stirring occasionally and replenish water when necessary. Now let's move on to work on the butternut squash. So here in the bowl I have about 2 medium butternut squash already peeled and cut into chunks. Next, wash the butternut squash and add it into the Dutch oven. Add water. We're gonna also add in butter. We're gonna also add in sugar and a bit of salt to balance the sweetness. Cover with the lid and simmer on medium-low heat until soft and tender, stirring occasionally until the water has dried up. Now let's move on to work on the dumplings. We're gonna start by combining flour with baking powder, sugar, and salt. Then give it a good mix. Now add water into the bowl with dry ingredients. Stir with a wooden spoon to bring the dough together. Once the mixture has formed a sticky dough, use your hand to continue to mix the dough and initiate the kneading process. This should take between 8 to 10 minutes. You can tell that the kneading is complete when the dough is no longer sticky to the touch. Just like so, guys. Now we're gonna cover the dough with a clean kitchen towel and let it rest for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, divide the dough into 10 to 12 small pieces. Then form into a round disc. Coat the dough with the flour on both sides, then place on a parchment lined baking sheet. Back to the chicken. As you can see, the water has reduced down. We're gonna add about 2 cups of water, then bring the water to a boil. As soon as the water starts to boil, we're gonna place balls of dough on top of the chicken, cover and allow to steam over medium heat for 25 minutes. When adding the dough, make sure you close the lid as quickly as possible, as we don't want the steam to escape. After 25 minutes, I checked the dumplings. They are done. They should be cooked through with a firm shiny surface on top and deliciously soaked chicken broth underneath. These are traditional dishes from my country. And if we ever visit Botswana, guys, you'll find these dishes prepared and served at the gardens of events such as weddings and anniversaries. I hope you enjoyed this video, guys. Don't forget to give it a like and leave a comment down below. Subscribe and hit that notification bell so we stay connected. And don't forget to check our Botswana recipes playlist. Until next time, guys. Bye. Honey for my heart.